Hi everyone, my name is Jama and we are Team Sahara, and we are a cloud-based platform for physical product development. I am both a software developer as well as a hardware engineer. I grew up loving both, tinkering with computers and pulling apart my parents' electronics. Eventually, as the internet got faster and as we got more connected, technologies and services like GitHub and AWS flourished, and software started eating the world. Yet, as far as we've come in software, our strides in technology haven't taken us as far in hardware. Building a physical system is more or less the same process that it was 20 years ago. I still need to buy parts. I still need a lab space with equipment, power supplies, and wires. Unlike when I'm working with software, I can't just open up my laptop and just go develop. And this problem is much bigger than my own experience. $200 billion a year is spent on hardware R&D in the US alone, and $4 billion of that goes towards software to improve hardware R&D. Yet even with all that spending, why is hardware development still taking 6 times longer than software development? Well, the reason is because of the physical nature of hardware, and that is what Sahara aims to solve. Sahara allows developers to access physical boards, sensors, and test equipment in the cloud so that they can start their hardware R&D immediately without needing to access physical components. The platform allows developers to select a combination of different sensors, chips, and processors to target, effectively building a virtual hardware system in seconds. They can then write code for that system through a web-based IDE with API access to our most powerful testing features. Voltages, currents, and other low-level electrical information is captured and available through the testing process as normally would be in reality. The entire infrastructure is also accessible via extensions to VS Code so that developers can continue to use the tool they already love. We charge on a usage-based model similar to AWS while offering a free limited tier to students and the developer community. We're starting by going to the education market. Even before the pandemic, universities taught digital electronics in an old-fashioned way. The in-person physical nature of hardware education and development is not going to work anymore, and it shows by the amount of interest we've gotten since COVID hit. Educators are looking to partner with us to see how we can help them provide top-tier remote education to their students. But the really important thing here is that we're not just trying to solve a problem for educators, developers, or existing companies. Our mission is to create a world where physical products can be created entirely virtually in order to shape and define the future of remote digital prototyping. So, if you're looking to join us in the task, we're actively recruiting more team members to join us on our journey. We're also happy to speak with anybody interested in supporting us as we look for outside funding in late Q1 or early Q2 of next year. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Belinda, and I'm one of the founders of Wise Earth Care, the proud second place winner of the Lowell Milken Institute-Sandler Prize for new entrepreneurs. Pre-COVID-19, I was driving down the 405 listening to some pretty depressing news about climate change, and I couldn't help but wonder how I was contributing to this massive problem. I thought about my work where I spent 15 years in medical devices, seeing all the garbage that is thrown away both in hospitals and in patient homes. And then in my own home, I saw simple things like the floss picks my kids use and throw away every single day. I was deeply bothered by all of this and started to do some research, and I was shocked by what I found. Facts like this: Americans throw away 1.2 billion toothbrushes every year, and it takes about 500 years for them to degrade in landfills. This means that every product that you have ever used to clean your teeth is still out there somewhere. But we also found that is a massive opportunity, a rapidly growing $46 billion opportunity. In fact, a study done by NYU shows that sustainability marketed CPG products like ours grew 5.6 times faster than non-sustainable ones. So we got to work on a solution, a much wiser solution. Wise is at the crossroads of healthcare and sustainability. Unlike our competitors, our products are sustainable, beautifully designed, and backed by science. In essence, we are the Tesla of oral care, and we make money by selling our products online to consumers and dentists. You know, when you go to the dentist, you get the little plastic goodie bag with a toothbrush and toothpaste? Well, we want to replace that plastic goodie bag with our earth-friendly products. Our amazing team has an average of 15 years each with some of the most impressive companies, and the proof is in what we've accomplished so far. This very team is on track to launch the business early next year. Right now, we're deep into product testing our most lovable products and have raised over $155,000. We are also thrilled to have 18 dentists who've already committed to buying our products pre-launch. And check out where we're winning. We recently graduated from the Cleantech Open, the largest business accelerator for sustainable technologies, and we have won over $45,000 in funds from some of the biggest competitions like the Sandler Prize. Currently, we are actively seeking out advisors to build out our launch strategy for February. A social impact business like ours is so powerful because it has such an important mission, and yet because it's tied to an essential daily need that pretty much everyone on the planet has to do, we have a real opportunity here to take care of both of people's health and climate change. Again, my name is Belinda Lau, and I am with Wise Earth Care. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mitch Gilbert and I'm the CEO of Oya FemTech Apparel. Today I want to talk about a big issue in women's health and our solution that's going to make us a whole bunch of money while we fix it. I first learned that leggings cause vaginal health issues when I became a state-ranking athlete. Sadly, I would get yeast infections after getting sweaty in my leggings and I was so embarrassed. But now I'm going to let you in on a big secret. Every year, millions of women develop vaginal health issues from leggings because of sweat and urinary incontinence, especially after a baby. In fact, leggings make women 2 times more likely to develop vaginal health issues. And these statistics are as true for the women in your life as they are for my 2 friends here. And this problem needs to stop, but it's actually getting worse as athleisure sales continue to climb during COVID. Now, welcome to our revolution. Our breakthrough comes from our innovative crotch gusset that we are currently working to patent. We know that our leggings work because we've run tests, gotten positive feedback, and now we're running a 2-week study with women's health professionals. We have an opportunity here to target mommy athletes and feminists with vaginal health issues, but our product is so versatile that a lot of women could benefit. Just think, according to the CDC, 30% of all women right now have bacterial vaginosis, and all the women I know love leggings, especially if they're postpartum or if they're at home during COVID. So connect the dots. Once we successfully conquer our beachhead, we can quickly expand because Oya is for all women who get vaginal infections, which is 75% of all women per year, according to the CDC. We are a digitally native vertical brand, so we're starting with a Kickstarter, then expanding our D2C presence, and then exploring strategic retail partnerships. Our digital marketing funnel starts with influencers and ends with a detailed product page to drive conversions. Our initial funnel results are fantastic. We don't even have product yet, and yet we have an average click rate of 6.2% versus the 1.2% industry average, and an estimated CAC of only $5 versus the industry average of $10. Our unit economics are solid, with an $85 per legging price point and a $32 per legging cost without economies of scale. Also, our CAC is really low because we're competing in a wide open space with minimal competition. Our competitors are focused on athletic branding or style and fit, so they're not going anywhere near vaginal health. This is an opportunity for Oya because we are the only brand making leggings for women. We've assembled a dream team here to design and get our leggings to market. We represent brands such as Nike, Target, Google, and UCLA Health. An investment of $375K is the final piece we need to get our leggings out there. If funded, we'll spend the prize money on legging performance testing and medical endorsements. Again, we are Oya. We have a revolutionary product to support women's health. We have gotten great feedback to date, and please visit us at weareoya.com. Thank you.